Welcome to Story Lounge. Imagine sitting in a small, quiet Swiss patent office, the air heavy with the smell of ink and paper. Amid the mundane noise of ticking clocks and the scratching of pens, one man's mind is racing, not with thoughts of patents, but of the universe itself. That man? Albert Einstein. Let me take you on a journey through his incredible life. Along the way, we'll dive into moments that show his genius, his struggles, and how one man changed how we see the very fabric of reality. Our story begins in a small town in Germany, where a young boy named Albert was born in 1879. As a child, Albert wasn't like other kids. While they were playing games, he was asking questions. That compass sparked a question that would haunt him for years. Why does the needle always point north? He couldn't let it go. It was as if the universe was whispering its secrets to him, daring him to uncover them. But being curious didn't always make life easy. Imagine being a kid who questions everything, sitting in a classroom where teachers demand obedience over imagination. That was Albert. His teachers called him lazy. One even told him he'd never amount to anything. Can you imagine? The man who would rewrite physics being told he was a failure? Fast forward to 1905, often called Einstein's miracle year. He was working as a clerk in a patent office. His job? Reviewing other people's inventions. His passion? Imagining how the universe worked. While the world thought he was just an ordinary clerk, he was secretly writing papers that would change science forever. Here's where things get really exciting. Imagine this. You're sitting on a train, and another train is moving next to you. For a moment, it feels like you're not moving at all. Weird, right? Einstein took this simple idea and expanded it to the universe. He proposed that time and space aren't fixed. They bend and stretch depending on how fast you're moving. And then he gave us this. E equals mc2 E equals mc caret 2 E equals mc2. This little formula showed us that energy and mass are two sides of the same coin. It laid the groundwork for everything from nuclear power to understanding black holes. But being a genius isn't all sunshine and roses. By the 1920s, Einstein was world famous. He traveled the globe, giving lectures and meeting world leaders. Yet, fame came at a price. He faced criticism, jealousy, and even danger, especially as political tensions in Europe grew. Einstein, a Jewish scientist, was targeted by those who hated him for his heritage and his groundbreaking ideas. Despite the challenges, Einstein never stopped fighting for what he believed in. When World War II broke out, he used his voice to advocate for peace and warn against the misuse of science. He wasn't just a man of equations, he was a man of conscience. Albert Einstein passed away in 1955, but his legacy is everywhere. From the GPS in your phone to the way we study the cosmos, his work still shapes our world. Einstein once said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge." And isn't that what makes his story so incredible? He didn't just solve problems, he imagined possibilities that no one else could see. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember the curious boy who stared at a compass and dreamed of understanding the universe. That's the power of imagination. That's the legacy of Albert Einstein. If Einstein's story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tales of incredible minds and their lasting legacies. See you in the next video.